Hello guys, my name is H.R.C. Nadim and welcome to this new video. Guys, in this video I will show you how you can install unlimited themes in your Wahtsapp. Guys, this is not a trick. This is really awesome. You can install unlimited themes in your Wahtsapp and you can customize your Wahtsapp extremely. So guys, without wasting our time, let's get started. Guys, I was give it the download link in the description. Click on it. Now your browser will open this page. Find the download button and click on it. Click on this button. After downloading, install the APK file. Create your Wahtsapp account. Otherwise, log in your account with your phone number. Type your name. Click on the close button. Now here's the full Wahtsapp. I know it is looking like a normal Wahtsapp, but it's not really a normal Wahtsapp. You can change the themes of theme of it. Here, click on FN theme. Download your themes. Now here we got unlimited themes. You can download any themes that you like. To install this theme.